Looking for a hairdryer for regular drying and styling? Vega Insta Glam hairdryer is perfect for you. This 1000 watt hairdryer comes with 2 heat and speed settings. Low heat setting is perfect for gentle drying and high heat setting is for fast drying. To dry your hair, point the dryer towards your hair and move from roots to tips. This hair dryer comes with a detachable nozzle for precision hairstyling. It is lightweight and comes with a foldable handle. It also has a hanging loop. Up your glam quotient even on the go. Be Vega.